Hi, I'm thrilled to share some exciting news about one of my students who recently took the Duolingo English Test, DET. With a score of 135, she has opened up a world of opportunities for herself, as this score is sufficient for applying to most universities. As her teacher, I couldn't be more proud of her achievement, and I'd love to share some valuable insights that might help others prepare for the DET. Let's dive into her scores. She achieved an overall score of 135, with impressive subscores of 150 in literacy and 145 in comprehension. However, like many ESL students, she found the subjective questions more challenging, scoring 125 in conversation and 120 in production. This is a common pattern among ESL learners who often struggle with speaking and writing tasks. But here's the good news. The DET doesn't give equal weight to all four language skills. Speaking and writing, production, have less impact on the overall score compared to listening and reading. This explains why, despite lower scores in conversation and production, my student still managed to achieve a commendable total score of 135. So, what's my advice for students who find speaking tasks daunting? Focus your energy on practicing the objective sections, particularly reading and vocabulary. Prior to the test, this student dedicated a significant amount of time to honing her reading skills and expanding her vocabulary. Her diligence paid off, as evidenced by her strong performance in the objective questions. Remember, playing to your strengths can make a world of difference in your DET score. By strategically allocating your study time and focusing on the areas that have the greatest impact, you can maximize your chances of success. Keep practicing, stay motivated, and don't let your weaknesses overshadow your strengths. With the right approach and a positive attitude, you too can achieve your desired DET score and unlock a world of academic possibilities. Check the comment below the video to find the practice platform used by the student in this case. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more videos. See you next time.